Life, inspiring and full of joy, yet also fragile and full of challenges. Millions of people face various health issues. That's why at Krka, we continuously develop solutions for the most common diseases of our time. With extensive knowledge, exceptional experts, cutting-edge technology, and with a heart that understands the needs of patients, doctors, veterinarians, and pharmacists. Every day, we help people with elevated blood pressure and cholesterol levels, those who suffer from depression, anxiety, and dementia, those who live with heartburn, stomach problems, and pain, patients with diabetes and cancer, and many more. We are proud to be here for you by providing quality, safe, and effective medicines for children and adults, for humans and animals, for more than 100 million people worldwide, whom we help live a healthy life.